When it comes to creating, watching, and sharing video clips on your phone, it's tough to beat TikTok. Sure, YouTube still holds strong as the go-to video site for many, but TikTok prides itself on keeping a fun environment and giving creators the tools they need to make their video dreams come true. Of course, with the editing tools available in the app, TikTok can also help you bring your photos to life. With a photo collage template for TikTok, creating a video out of stills is super easy. Here's how it's done. If you're looking for something simple, TikTok's in-app slideshow maker is easy to use. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of your screen and select the Templates tab just below the Record button. Swipe through the templates to find the one that fits the theme of the video you're looking to create, then tap the Select Photos button. Each template has its own limit on how many photos you can upload, so pay attention to that number. On the next screen, select the photos you want to add in the order you want them to appear in the slideshow, then tap OK. Finally, you can edit your video to make it fit your own style. If you want, you can add text, stickers, sound effects, and more. Once done, tap Next, finalize your post, then hit the Post button. This feature isn't available in some regions, and it doesn't fit all needs. So if that's the case for you, you'll have to use a third-party app like Pick Play Post, an all-in-one collage maker and video editor that's available on both Android and iOS. The app's free version works well, but the pro version unlocks other features like additional layouts, fonts, style patterns, and creating your own watermark. Pick Play Post gives you several automated templates to choose from, allows you to adjust the transition speed, add music, and most importantly, aspect ratio control for TikTok. There's also the option to bypass templates altogether to create a custom slideshow yourself. After selecting the photos you want to be included, just add your text, transitions, stickers, and more to create the perfect collage for TikTok. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering TikTok and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.